In today's top cryptocurrency news, May 30, 2023, in the first new, some SBF charges will be dropped if Bahamas objects, U.S. prosecutors say. The charges relating to Sam Bankman-Fried's alleged bank fraud, operating an unlicensed money transmitter service and bribing Chinese officials may be dropped. In the second new, Bitcoin on-chain and options data hint at a decisive move in BTC price. BTC's historically low volatility could abruptly change in June, with long-term holders making moves and options traders showing an uptick in bearish positions. In the third new, U.S. District Judge sends matter of FTX independent examiner to appellate court. A bankruptcy judge denied a motion for an independent examiner in February, leading to an appeal that may now go to the U.S. Court of Appeals for the Third Circuit. In the fourth new, SEC settles case against Wahi brothers for Coinbase insider trading. The SEC suit alleged former Coinbase product manager Ishan Wahi and his brother used non-public knowledge to trade digital asset securities. In the fifth new, why is XRP price up today? XRP's daily active address count has soared to its second highest level in May, raising traders' anticipation for a price rally. In the sixth new, Binance considers allowing traders to secure collateral at banks, report. It has been reported that Swiss-based Flowbank and Liechtenstein-based Bank Frick have been mentioned as potential intermediaries for this service. In the seventh new, Japan's largest airline launches NFT marketplace. The platform is part of All Nippon Airways' ongoing expansion into the intersection of airlines and Web3. In the eighth new, Bitcoin's next rally may be imminent, on-chain analyst says. On-chain data shows that an imminent Bitcoin rally could drive its price up to $32,000. Says Glassnode lead analyst James Check. In the ninth new, Tether moves into Bitcoin mining in Uruguay. As part of its expansion into mining, Tether cited Uruguay's capability of generating 94% of its electricity from renewable sources, including wind and solar. In the 10th new, decentralized exchange PancakeSwap moves into GameFi. The DEX has partnered with BNB GameFi protocol Mobox to create a blockchain tower defense game. In the 11th new, Bitcoin price rejects at $28,000 as analysts eye CME futures gap dip. BTC price action sees weakness a day from the May monthly close, with Bitcoin analysts closely monitoring bid liquidity. In the 12th new, LSD for DeFi, Tenet, LayerZero partner to drive cross-chain liquid staking adoption. Cross-chain interoperability protocol LayerZero's infrastructure aims to drive liquid staking adoption across the DeFi ecosystem. In the 13th new, what the anti-mining bill means for the crypto industry in Texas. The Lone Star State has become one of the hottest points on the U.S. map in terms of crypto regulation. In the 14th new, Bitcoin is on a collision course with net zero promises. Every year countries are pressured to ramp up their climate change commitments at the COP conference, and Bitcoin mining is an easy target. In the 15th new, the future of DeFi is ReFi. The key to unlocking this transformation and propelling the industry forward lies in embracing the regenerative economy. In the 16th new, what is fair use? U.S. Supreme Court weighs in on Ari's copyright dilemma. Many firms with generative AI models are being sued for copyright infringement, and the Supreme Court may have just ruined their primary legal defense. In the 17th new, Bitflyer adopts crypto deposit limits to comply with travel rule. While adopting restrictions on transactions between exchanges, Bitflyer still supports transactions to and from self-custody wallets like MetaMask. In the 18th new, 2 key security practices for Web3 startups from Israel Crypto Conference. Shahar Madar, the head of security products at Fireblocks, says Web3 startups need to think from the attacker's perspective when planning security protocols. In the 19th new, security firm discovers $500 million vulnerability in Tron multisig accounts. After reporting the vulnerability to Tron in February, the researchers highlighted that the issue was promptly addressed and resolved within a few days. In the 20th new, Bitcoin ordinals to bridge Ethereum NFTs with the launch of BRC-721E. The BRC-721E token standard was launched by the Ordinals Market and the Bitcoin Miladys NFT collection, allowing traders to transfer their ERC-721 NFTs to ordinals. In the 21st new, Wintermute moves over $4 million of Optimism tokens to Binance ahead of OP unlock. On-chain analytics platform Spot On-chain reported that Wintermute sold the tokens at $1.63 per OP. In the 22nd new, popular NFT collections take massive price hit in 2023. Investments in top NFT projects such as Doodles, Invisible Friends, Moonbirds and Goblintown have lost up to 95% of their value in Ether. In the 23rd new, Bitcoin selling for $5,000 cheaper on Binance Australia as fiat ramp closes. One Bitcoin can be bought for the equivalent of $22,000 on Binance Australia if paid using Australian dollars. The problem is getting the funds there. In the 24th new, buying a bank won't solve crypto's debanking issue, Binance CEO. CZ highlighted examples, such as regulatory complexity and capital requirements as reasons why he isn't keen on Binance buying a bank. In the 25th new, Bitcoin ordinals surpass 10M inscriptions as creator Rod Armour steps down. The number of ordinals has grown from 1 to 10 million in less than 6 months. In the 26th new, crypto exchange TriggerNex latest to emerge from the FTX rubble. TriggerNex is back from the dead after it went into receivership in December, due in part to its $13 million exposure to bankrupt crypto exchange FTX. In the 27th new, Optimism set to unlock $587 million worth of OP tokens. Will investors unload? More than 386 million OP tokens are scheduled to be unlocked on May 31st, more than doubling the total circulating supply. In the 28th new, crypto firms jockey for Hong Kong licenses ahead of June 1st retail opening. Hong Kong's retail trading regime is days away from going live and crypto exchanges are keen to make entry into the region. Today's news ends here. Tomorrow there will be more news. Don't forget to subscribe if you want to stay up to date with cryptocurrency news. See you tomorrow.